that's going to walk you through how to operate the Liq-Trol Dispenser with shot counter. I'm going to show you how to set the portions on it and then how to operate the unit. Okay, so this allows for you to set your portion controls. You can set the portion anywhere from 5/8 of an ounce up to 1.5 ounces. The way that you set the amount of beverage you're going to dispense with inside the chamber is pretty simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew the bottom piece here, okay? And this is what wraps around the bottle, and remove that, and you'll see that there's these little discs. And these discs, what they do is they occupy space, right? So if you put in, just 1 disc or 2 discs, it'll be a little chart to show you how it does. It's going to occupy that space within there, or reducing the size of the shot that you're actually pouring. So that's how you set what your dispensing amount is going to be, and then you turn that on. There is a rubber gasket on there. Now to fit it onto the bottle, this is just kind of rubber, and it's just going to go over the top of the bottle. So on the top of your bottle, you're going to want to remove any shot pour or anything you have on that, so you got a clear bottle, and then go ahead and just push this thing over the top of the collar. Now, it's not like a super tight fit, so when you're utilizing the thing, you're going to want to instruct your sales staff to make sure that when you grab the bottle, you want to grab the bottle by the actual bottle itself, and then just reach up to hit the trigger. Don't try to grab it by the dispenser itself, because a heavy weighted bottle will likely fall off. So just a word of caution there. It's going to fit tighter on some bottles. Obviously this is a very large bottle here, so there's a lot more weight added to it, but best practice, grab the bottle and then use your finger for the trigger. Okay, coming up a little bit, I want to show you, here's where the counter is. The counter will be set by the factory. It'll have a few clicks on it already for testing. It is not resettable. I think that's important though. That's a good thing, because this will make sure that tampering cannot be involved. So the best way to keep count is at the beginning of your shift, just mark down what your count was, and then obviously end of the shift, what your new count is. Take the one minus the other. That's how many portions that you poured. Okay, so how does pouring the portion work then? Here's a glass, right? What you're gonna do is actually take the bottle and put the trigger toward the front. You're gonna invert the bottle, press the trigger, and now it's going to go ahead and fill the portion chamber, and then go to your glass. It's going to come out the side, release the trigger, and that's your pour. So that's your portion pour, and you can see our counter went up 1 mark.